Right guys, this is Intent 7 from Robin Hood Beer Company. Just going to show you how I apply my beard oil in the mornings. First I just have a little bit of a brush through, nothing major really. Just a little bit to make it a bit easier to get my fingers through. I'm using Down by the River oil, ylang ylang, cedarwood, a little bit of sea salt in there as well. Very nice. Right, what I tend to do is put a little bit on the ends of my fingers using the flip top cap. It's very simple. Plenty on really. Right, I just rub my fingertips together. Doesn't matter if they go in the creases. The reason I don't put it so much on the palm of my hands is because I don't do this. I like to dig it in. So I'll just start at the base and do it that way. Come across. Then I'll turn the fingers back round the other way so that I'll make sure I get it all from there. Could do it a little bit more. Just sprinkle some on there. There you go. Right. Over my moustache area. Not much of a moustache, I like to keep it trimmed because I can't stand eating it. Right, so that's my oil. I do it fairly quickly. Normally I'm up and out the house very early in the morning, so it's a very basic routine. Just brush it through, make sure it's all coated. There you go. Then I'm just a bit odd in my ways. I just like to just make sure that I'm well covered for the day. Yeah. Right. Well, you can catch me on Instagram, Intent7. Also Facebook. I'm around. Just look for Steve. Bye.